How to invite someone to join TikTok Live. Today, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to join your TikTok Live. Whether you want to collaborate with a friend or bring a guest on your live stream, this feature is super easy to use. Let's dive into it. First things first, let's start your TikTok Live. Simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. On the screen here you can find the live tab. Choose a title for your live stream, then go live to start your broadcast. Make sure your account meets TikTok requirements for going live. You'll need at least 1000 followers to use the live streaming feature. Once you're live, look at the right side of your screen for a button labeled invite. This is where you can invite others to join your live stream. Tap on the invite button. This will show you a list of people who are watching your live or people who follow you. Now, scroll to the list and find the person you'd like to invite. You can invite any of your followers, friends, or viewers who are currently watching you live. Simply tap on someone's name and they'll get a request to join your live stream. Now, you just need to wait for the person to accept your invitation. If they accept, they will join your live stream and you'll be able to see them and interact in real time. And that's it. Now you know how to invite someone to join your TikTok live stream.